Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's Electrify here, and today in this video I'm gonna be unboxing this Corsair HS35 Stereo headphones. And sorry for not uploading much, I've been quite busy, so yeah, apologize for that, and let's get into the video. So I'm just going to start unboxing. Let me get my iPhone. I'll get back to the box later. That's done. Okay, that's it. I'm just gonna put that there. And let's check this out. So we got the cable and I suppose warranty guide and stuff like that, and the headset. It's my first time unboxing Corsair headset, so let's see how to open this. It's like silver gel. I guess that's it. Here we have the headset. I'm gonna come back to that later. So that's all you get. Cables and headset. We got plastic rubbers all around the headset, and I'm just gonna take this thing off. It's quite long. Looks like it's gonna stay there forever. Yep. So we got the headset. More stuff like that. And that's it. Pretty easy. Shouldn't be hard. And here's the headset.
It's too late now to turn around and back again. I made my bed and now I lay my head in it. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. It's for the best, you know the worst in me.
So this headset cost about $50 Canadian dollars, and in the headset you got these buttons. I'm not sure what this is. It doesn't look like a button, but it sticks out. And in this side, you got nothing. Here we have the volume button and mic turn off. So this should be the mic, but I guess I'm gonna have to check that out. Or just on. Check this. Looks like this one's the mic. Yep, here's the mic. And where do I connect this? So that was like a what do you call it, like a cover for the headset adapter. Yeah, that's like cover to the mic adapter, so that you just have to take it off. I think that's good because you don't get too much dirt and stuff on it. And here we have the mic, and you just connect it like that, and that's it. You're ready to go. So for a couple of days I'm just gonna try this out and see how it works, and I'm gonna give you guys a review on this, honest review. And yeah, also the mic is very flexible and you can take it out if you don't need it, if you're like going out or something, and if you're like gaming with your friends, you can use the mic very easy. And you can also keep the cover, so you don't have to worry about getting bad stuff on your headset. So guys, that's all you get in this headset, and like I said, I'm just gonna try this for a couple of days and tell you guys what I think about it, and I'll see you in a week. Peace.